to sell crypto on Coinbase. Follow these best practices for a secure and successful transaction. First, ensure you have a verified account on Coinbase, as this is essential for selling cryptocurrency. Verification involves providing identification documents and proof of address, which helps prevent fraud and ensures compliance with regulations. Next, navigate to the Coinbase dashboard and select the cryptocurrency you want to sell from your portfolio. Choose the amount you wish to sell, considering market conditions and your investment goals. It is crucial to stay up to date with market trends to make informed decisions. Before confirming the sale, review the transaction details, including the amount of cryptocurrency to be sold, the current market price, and any applicable fees. Coinbase charges a fee for selling cryptocurrency, which varies depending on the payment method and location. To minimize fees, consider using Coinbase Pro, which offers lower fees compared to the standard Coinbase platform. Additionally, be aware of tax implications when selling cryptocurrency, as profits may be subject to capital gains tax. Consult a tax professional to understand your obligations. Once you have reviewed the transaction details, confirm the sale and await the transfer of funds to your payment method. This may take a few days, depending on the payment method and your location. To ensure the security of your transaction, enable two-factor authentication on your Coinbase account and use a secure internet connection. By following these best practices, you can sell crypto on Coinbase efficiently and securely. Remember to stay informed about market trends, review transaction details carefully, and consider tax implications to make the most of your cryptocurrency sales.